Have you ever stopped to think about what really goes into the juice you drink every day? That bright color, that fresh taste, and that feeling of purity in every sip didn't happen by accident. Behind each bottle is a carefully controlled process where cleanliness, technology, and precision work together from the very first moment. Imagine fresh fruits arriving straight from farms, passing through a system so clean and organized that human hands barely touch the product at all. The sound of machines, the shine of stainless steel, and the steady flow of crystal-clear juice all tell a story of modern food production designed to protect your health. Today, we're taking you inside a modern clean juice factory to show you exactly how fresh fruits are transformed into pure, safe, and refreshing juice. From the moment the fruits enter the facility to the second the bottles are sealed and ready for delivery, every step follows strict hygiene standards and quality checks. This factory is not just about speed or quantity, it's about maintaining freshness, preserving natural nutrients, and ensuring that what reaches your table is clean and trustworthy. By the end of this video, you'll see how advanced machines, careful monitoring, and cleanliness at every stage come together to create the juice you enjoy with confidence every day. The journey of clean juice begins with careful fruit selection and inspection. Fresh fruits arrive at the factory from trusted farms and suppliers, where quality is checked immediately. Workers and automated systems examine each fruit for ripeness, size, color, and freshness. Any damaged or overripe fruit is removed to maintain high standards. This step is crucial because the final taste and purity of the juice depend on the quality of raw materials. By selecting only the best fruits, the factory ensures consistency, natural flavor, and nutritional value. This careful inspection process reflects the factory's commitment to cleanliness, safety, and excellence before the production process even begins. Once selected, the fruits move into the washing and cleaning section, where hygiene becomes the top priority. The fruits pass through advanced washing machines that use purified water and gentle sprays to remove dust, pesticides, and bacteria. In some stages, fruits are washed multiple times to ensure complete cleanliness. Brushes and water jets clean the fruit surface without causing damage. This process not only protects consumer health, but also preserves the natural freshness of the fruit. Cleanliness at this stage is essential, as it prevents contamination and ensures the juice remains pure from start to finish. After washing, the fruits are transferred to the cutting and crushing section. Here, automated machines peel, slice, and crush the fruits with precision. Human contact is minimal, reducing the risk of contamination. These machines are designed to extract maximum juice while preserving natural taste, color, and nutrients. The rhythmic motion of the machines and the steady flow of juice highlight the efficiency of modern technology. Every movement is carefully controlled, ensuring uniform processing. This step transforms whole fruits into fresh juice while maintaining the factory's strict hygiene and quality standards. The extracted juice then moves to the filtration and quality testing stage. At this point, the juice passes through fine filters to remove pulp, seeds, or unwanted particles. Quality control experts and automated sensors test the juice for color, texture, taste, and purity. Temperature and acidity levels are closely monitored to maintain freshness. This step ensures consistency in every batch and guarantees that the juice meets food safety. Regulations. Through careful testing, the factory confirms that the juice is safe, clean, and ready for packaging, giving consumers confidence in every sip. In the final stage, the juice enters the filling and packaging section. Sterilized bottles or cartons move along conveyor belts, where they are filled, sealed, and labeled automatically. This process takes place in a controlled environment to prevent contamination. Each package is securely sealed to lock in freshness and extend shelf life. The finished products are then packed into boxes and prepared for distribution. This final step represents the factory's promise of hygiene, quality, and care, delivering clean, refreshing juice to stores and homes around the world. As you've seen, making clean juice is not just about pressing fruit. It's a carefully controlled process where hygiene, technology, and quality come together at every stage. From selecting the freshest fruits to sealing each bottle in a sterile environment, every step is designed to protect freshness and consumer health. This is how modern clean juice factories ensure that every sip is safe, pure, and full of natural flavor. If you enjoyed this behind-the-scenes journey, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more factory process videos that show how everyday products are made with care and precision.